Crude oil WTI has shown a very good recovery after showing a good fall towards the first support zone at 71.4, 71.5 levels. Failing to sustain, we have seen a good recovery, and yes, the inventory data has helped it beautifully behave the same way as we have discussed in our update and the analysis yesterday. Likewise, with natural gas, we have seen a dip. Now, today we have the natural gas storage data that can also completely reverse the trend in gas. So, what is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and nat gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We will see the multiple time frame analysis to find out what should be our ideal strategy and the entry points and the take profits as well. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment to appreciate, and if you appreciate the effort. And yes, the next update will be released before the US session, before the net gas storage data, and before the inflation data release from US. Thus, do not miss to watch that, and thus pressing the bell icon will give you the notifications. And also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch this. See crude here on the hourly charts. If you connect the dots, this is a big bearish move. 74 levels. Yesterday we have discussed 74 is going to be a difficult hurdle for it to break past by what we have seen as a sharp fall from there, and then a smarter recovery has appeared. If you connect the dots here, you will find after the drop, oil is trading in this bearish channel. Very, very important for oil to now break past by 74 and 74.4 levels. 74.4, 74.6 is going to be a big hurdle today. Beyond that, we can see that the bulls will take over and there is going to be a rise which is going to take the prices again towards 75.6 and 76 levels at the next targets. Crossover here in the moving average is definitely a bearish sign. The prices have now come towards the zone where it is struggling to break past the resistance and also not willing to break the support as well. Let's see which direction it takes. Stochastic at top here while the MACD after forming double bottom rising here looking upwards. This is certainly a sign of bullishness. RSI is also showing a modest rise. On the 2 hour, now see the 2 hour charts here, drop, sideways movement, drop, retracement. Yes, creating a very good step here. And that is why I say very, very important for oil to now trade above 74. That will be the only confirmation of further bullishness here in oil. Moving averages crossing over here definitely is a slight bearish sign. But also remember, stochastic has come to overbought zone. Interestingly, the stochastic and MACD are trading different. It is overbought while it is oversold. After this drop, it has just crossed over. And this suggests that there could be a little reversal or retracement from here. RSI is also showing a modest rise. But if you look at the 3 hour on the 3 hour charts, look at the formation rise retracement. At this point, also I have shared that oil is going to rise. You can assign it to any reason, whether be it the war or be it the technicals, but yes, technicals do intimate in advance. And see what it has achieved 78 zone. Now, see what has happened here. This is how it has been trading. It has breached past by this channel for once, and thus I treat this as a breakout. And now it is very, very important to just stay above the channel here, which means it has to stay or trade above 76 in order to confirm the continuation of the bullish momentum. Now today it is very, very important for the price to trade above 74, 74.4 zone, which will confirm its move towards 75, 75.6 and then 76 levels. Stochastic is rising here. MACD has also traded sharply bearish. It could converge crossover, but right now it is not showing any such signs. RSI is rising, good sign for the bulls here as well. While on the 4 hour, if you see the 4 hour charts, the observation, see bearishness has got diminished here and now trying to bounce back. So a possibility of a recovery or a reversal cannot be denied at the current levels. And also if you look at the near term charts, rise retracement. Now see the slope is changed here. Now it is aggressively bullish here. Just connect the dots, you'll find this is how it has been trading. And once it stays above 75 is where we can see oil moving towards $80 levels soon. Stochastic rising, MACD has seen a good dip. It can try to converge crossover. Right now it is bearish. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily. Now this is important on the daily charts as yesterday's candle was a doji here. An indecision candle with the resistance placed at 74. Also we have seen it moving towards the median of the Bollinger Bands and the 20 period moving average. Now, this suggests that it is now not willing to drop, that is one, and it has got a stronger support on the downside, that is second. Now, today again, it could be a little swing candle. On the downside, if it drops below 73, we can expect a move towards 72.4, 72.5. My favorite 72.4 definitely is a good support. Then 72 will appear, and then 71.6 levels will be seen. Till here, it has got tremendous support, and if it breaks below this, you can expect lower lows, which can take the prices towards 71.1 and $70 levels. We have to just observe, because see, it has taken the support, the chances of a reversal also increases here. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to cross over for sell, and RSI is flat. Now, before I give you the levels, if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel. And if you just are looking forward to a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers you a safer environment for you to trade easier transactions, easier withdrawals, and also offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges. This is very, very important to have lower spreads. And if you join through the link, you'll get the best of the offers. So do join it today and enjoy trading. So now looking at this, first thing is where to buy. Obviously, the buying entries are very clear. Ideally, it has to be above 74. Those who want to risk a little can buy at 73.6. When you see the lower price above 73.6, you can initiate it. But then this is riskier till 74. And in fact, let me include 74.4 also. Once it breaks this zone at 74, 74.4, stay bullish. We can see a move towards 75, 75.6, and 76 levels at the next targets. On the downside, since yesterday was a swing, today again it could swing a little. On the downside, you can sell here at 73.2, expect 72.85, 72.95 as the first target level, 72.5, 72.4 as the second. And if these two are taken, then you can look forward to a further drop towards 72, which is going to be a very good support. And then below this, we know the yesterday's low should come into picture, and the support at around 71.4, below which you can say more bearishness will prevail, and then I will expect 71 and $70 levels as the next targets. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver, or not silver but natural gas. See, natural gas, if you see the movement, it is again continued with the bearish bias, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, then again a drop, and now it is trying to retrace. However, it is not yet confirming a complete reversal. As you can see, lower highs and lower lows are seen, which means it has to trade about 2.95 levels and $3 levels in order to confirm a reversal here. Any move beyond 3 is the only sign where you can say that it is trying to reverse, else the movement here is simple. Every drop is followed with a retracement. And also you should notice the 20 period moving average is giving it a good resistance. So yes, today you can buy here at 2.88 levels, but then 2.9 is going to be a good resistance. Then 2.93 levels will come into picture as the next one, and then 2.9596. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish, else it is still not to be treated bullish here. Moving averages, trading with divergence and staying bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD is also after the crossover now trying to suggest slight bullishness, and the same thing is with the RSI. On the 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, and it could retrace. Moving averages have crossed over here. Yes, these are trading with divergence, it could bounce back. And as we have seen, the 20 period moving average should be a good resistance, and that is why I said only about 2.9 we can expect a little rise. Keep the check of 2.9 levels. Yes, stochastic is rising, and MACD after hitting the lows, it is now willing to cross over for the buys. RSI rising, coming to 3 hours. The crossover here is important. This is a bearish cross. It is continuing here with the bearish bias, but also one must notice it is delivering lower highs and lower lows consistently. Thus, a move towards 2.9, 2.93 levels can be seen, and if it breaks 2.9596 is where the reversal confirmation is. While on the downside, any move below 2.85, now this zone is clear where it is consolidated for long, and thus this zone is where you should be focusing on 2.75 to 2.9 zone. This is going to be definitely a very, very good support zone. Any drop below today 2.85 should be a signal for us to take a selling position. But the stochastic here is oversold and the MACD has also seen a good drop, so the chances of recovery exist strong. RSI is just also coming out of the oversold zone. While on the 4-hour chart, see now this suggests that with the storage data we can see a little up move here, and if you see an up move before the data, you can, and if you see a resistance here at the lower highs, then possibly a reversal with the data cannot be denied. As you can see, the crossover here is definitely signaling bearishness, but if you look at the move here, there is a reversal sign. This is the first bullish candle, then we can see a second or third bullish candle here, and it could trade with a little more modest bullishness. The stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI is oversold here. Coming to daily. Now look at daily chart. See, prices were divergent here from the 20 period moving average. What NetGuess did is it has seen a good sharp drop. It has come towards 20 period moving average. Now 20 period moving average is a very good support, and thus it is important for the prices to trade below 2.85 2.84 zone. Then only you should treat this as bearish. Else we have seen good bearish move, chances for now a reversal exist, and it may continue here on the bullish channel where the highs at around 3.2 3.4 exist. Stochastic oversold, MACD. Now this is interesting as the stochastic getting oversold, but the MACD has crossed over here, and this MACD crossover is coming at the top, and this suggests a down move here. So this is something you should watch out for, and the RSI is dropping as well. So looking at this, one thing is clear that the selling entry today in natural gas is only below 2.85 levels, 2.84 levels. When you see the higher prices below 2.8584, take a selling entry, expect 2.815, 2.790, and then below this you can expect 2.75 as the next target. Any drop below 2.75 should take it to fill the gap at around 2.72. So this is on the sell side, while we should not ignore the buy side or the other side of the coin, where any move beyond 2.9 should be a sign of little bullishness, where 2.925, 2.9596 levels will appear as the next targets. And once it stays above 2.96 is where the bulls are waiting, and then you can in fact look forward to 3.0 to 3.05 levels. Take your trades accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Join the free Telegram channel as well to get the live updates. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.